Hi everyone, Marvy here. I went fishing today and I got a couple of trout. Well, actually I got one and my friend Andy got one. But the question that I've always been asked when I go fishing is, do you gut your own fish? And you betcha. So I will show you my easy method of gutting. This is beautiful trout, probably about half a pound. And what I do is I hold the gills right here, okay? And I hold the fish just firmly wherever you want. And then I pull. And then, as you can see, I'm just gonna pull that out and gently pull everything out. I know this is not for those that are weak of heart. You pull the whole gut out. What you want to avoid is getting the gallbladder, this little greenish gray part, to break, because once that breaks and the yellowish liquid goes in the fish, it gets bitter. Now if you have a little knife, go through the pee-pee hole and just cut it. Make sure your knife is sharp and cut it this way. Open the fish and then you can just pull everything, the sinews or whatever, the stuff out there, and pull. It would be good if you had a little running water, but sometimes in Asia, when you're limited with water, we have a bowl of water, and so that way we're not wasting water. You want to get everything inside clean. See, like so. And just wash it. Voila, clean fish. So we're gonna start again, and this time I'll just show you how easy it is. The bigger it is, the harder. Just wanna get a good grip. You have beautiful, clean fish in maybe half a minute. There you go. Trout, ready for dinner. Bye.